Good morning, student. Myself Bina Tripathi. I am your SSC teacher. Welcome to the new academic year 2020-2021 online class. This is your geography textbook, standard 8. Friends, today I am going to explain you geography chapter 1, local time and standard time. Let's recall. Why does the duration of day and night keep changing? The earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. How many longitudes can be drawn on a world map? Keep on interval of 1 degree each. 360 longitudes. The apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of what? The apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of rotation of the earth from west to east. What is the direction of the rotation of the earth? The direction of the rotation of the earth is from west to east. While the earth rotates, how many longitudes faces the sun daily? While the earth rotates 360 longitudes faces the sun daily. At which longitude does the date change? The date change at 180 degree longitudes. How was time measured in olden day? The instruments like Ghatki Patra, sand clock, shadow clock, calendar, etc. and natural events. On that base, we can say about that in older day times are measured. In present times, what are the instruments used for time measurement? In present day, the instruments like watches, people are wearing the watches, calendars. Nowadays, we can say that with the help of the mobile also, etc. are used for time measurement. See that students, you all know that earth is not stable. Okay, earth rotate around itself. It take 24 hours, and earth make revolution around the sun. We are saying the revolution, that is they take 365 and 1/4 days, or we can also say about that 365 and 6 hours. See the geographical explanation is given here. As you all know that we get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath, then we have breakfast and go to school. We study in our classroom, we return home, we go to the playground to play in the evening. We have dinner, brush our teeth and go to sleep. We keep doing similar activities throughout the day. Considering our daily routine, we need to decide a time for all our activities. That means student, it is daily routine. Okay, daily we are get up early, daily we are doing we brush our teeth and all these things. So now what is the important things are that we have to decide, we need to decide a time for all our activities. When we are get up, from that time onwards, we have to fix that time, what to do, what we can do that at so we have to make the time for that, and this way it is totally our daily routines. Daily we are doing all these things. We get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath, and then we have breakfast and go to school. And in school, what happened that students, we study our classroom, afterwards we return home, we go to the playground to play in the evening, and we have dinner, brush our teeth and go to sleep. So this daily we are doing these activities. It is our daily routine. Now in olden days, what happened that in olden days, people used to take the help of various tools, means various machines, and also depends on various natural events for the measurement of time. Because in olden day, what happened that they didn't have mobile phone, they didn't have watch, or they didn't have a calendar. So they totally depends on the natural events, and also they are observing the sun. That means when sun is overhead, 12 o'clock. This was the time, so they are making the observation to study the time. On the basis of observation and experience, they divided the day into the following parts. Now what they have done, that means on that time, in olden day, people are they dividing the day into following parts. Which are they? That means from sunrise to sunset. It is a daytime. Means according to their opinion, olden times peoples, what are there? That means sunrise to sunset, what happened? The daytimes are there. And from the sunset to the next sunrise, it is a night time. Okay. Now suppose question will come, what is the daytime? Answer will be there, sunrise to sunset, daytime, and sunset to the next sunrise, night time. A whole day meant the duration from one sunrise to the next, and whole day it was how they are calculating that? That means from one sunrise to the next. So this way they are saying it is a full whole day. Now earlier natural events and that means natural events and instruments like Gatke Patra, it is a bowl with a minute hole at its base, which will float in the water fields vessel. So these types of instruments they are doing on that time, that means in the olden days, vessels. And you know that the students sand timer. Why it is used for? That to tell. It was used to tell time. Sand timer role was there to use to tell the time. So these types of instruments are using in the olden days. Now, as earlier we see about that Earth rotate 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. So we consider direction where the sun rises to the east, then thus the Earth rotates from west to east. As a result, experience sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. See the students, what happened that you all know that Earth rotate around itself. That is, we can say the one day, and to complete one rotation. And also we consider direction where the sun rises in the east. That means sun was rise in the east. As a result, and set in the west. We are seeing that means we realize that that means we are saying from the Earth planet, sun rise in the east and set in the west, and Earth rotates from west to east. And this way we are make the result. Experience sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. During rotation, the longitude in the western part faces the sun gradually whole. Those in the east experience darkness. The longitude which faces the sun experience sunrise, while on the other hand, that the one in the darkness experience sunset. You all know that sun is a star, okay? Earth is a planet. That means which planet we are living? Earth, and that is a planet. That means to see the students in a daytime in the sky, sun is there, and because of sun, we are seeing that in a day there is a brightness will be there. But in night time, what happened that in night time there is no sun in the sky. There was a totally darkness out there. So that is given here. What is given here? That the longitude which faces the sun experience sunrise, means the longitude we have 1 degree 4, that means longitudes are, it was measured that, and this which longitude faces the sun experience sunrise, and on the other hand the one in the, that means other hand, what happened that the other in the darkness experience sunset. So these types of activities are, that means they are realized that with help of the sun, means their opinions are there. That is really na. That means when sun will be rising, then brightness will be there. When sun will be not there, from where you are getting the light? Because that means in the night sun will be not there. So that means you are not getting the light. That is very, very important. While traveling in a bus, we often see tree, electric pole, building, etc. outside the window. They appear to be, that means to be moving in the opposite direction. Actually they are stationary and our bus is moving forward. Similarly, because of the rotation of the earth, we feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily. See students, that means when we are going any place through the bus, what we see that we see often means what, often means what, that means many times we see that trees, electric poles, building, whatever outside the window, they are moving in, because it is in the opposite direction. But isn't it they are moving? No, they are they are stationary, they are not moving. Our bus is moving forward. Similarly, because of the earth is, what I said about that, earth is not stable. Earth rotate around itself, and because of the rotation of the earth, we feel that the sun changing its position from east to west daily. And same way, we realize that because that sun is permanent place, sun is not make changing any. But from the earth we realize that the sun is rising in the east and set in the west. But in actually what happened, that earth rotate, because of the rotation of the earth, it was happens. Sun will not change the place. Try this. See that perform this activity in the cocoa ground on a bright sunny day. Consider the following points. See, this is given that activity base, the difference location of the sun during the day and changes according in the shadow. See that east to west. You see about that how the sun was from east to west, and I see the shadow also. In the evening and morning, shadow is very, means their shadow is very, we can say about that lengthiest, and of afternoon noon time it is shortest. So this is also one type of activities are there. Choose one pole on the ground that days under the sun for the whole day for this activity. Observe the direction, to make the observe that direction, and see the pole, how you can see the shadow also, which was means lengthier and which are shortest. Okay, so activity based questions are backside is given here. You have to find out this answer. It is just like homework. Geographical, that same that activity, that geography expression is given here. You would have realized by observation that the shadow in the early morning and evening were the longest. What we see of the picture, that in morning and evening shadow is very longest, while those at the noon were the shortest. Okay, because why it was happening? Because of the change in the apparent location of the sun in the sky. How that sun is started to change in their direction. When some sun come the top head, means overhead, we can say about that there means shadow become very shortest, and in the morning and evening time the shadow is very longest. You can see the picture, it is very clear cut. Okay, that means see figure that length and direction of the shadow pole kept changing. It was not same, it was kept started to changing. How the sun was because of the sun apparent location of the sun in the sky, the shadow also pole kept on changing. See figure 1.1. This is because a specific part of the earth faces the sun during rotation and moves forward. Why it was happening that? Because this is because specific part of the earth faces the sun during rotation and moves forward. You know that earth rotate around, earth made the rotation. Okay, and because of this we are seeing about that. See the figure 1.2. Incidentally, we also experience that it is cooler in the morning and evening and warmer in the afternoon. And we feel that we also make the experience a morning time and evening time, it will, the climate will be very cool climate. But in afternoon time, what happened that means we experience cool in the morning and evening, but afternoon what happened that it is very warmer. Same way, see the local time, see that figure 1.2, rotation and the relative location of the sun. See that earth which part from the sun they are getting the light, it is a daytime, or there was a brightness are there. And which part the earth not getting the light from the sun, there is a darkness will be there. See that midnight, you will see that half part is darkness and half part is brightness. Because earth not have their own light, earth is a planet, earth is getting the light because of the sun. Why? Because sun is star. As soon as the sun start moving up in the sky after sunrise, the length of our shadow reduce means become less and less. Once what happened that the sun start moving up in the sky, what happened that after sunrise, when sun is rising, length become reducing. Normally the length of the shadow is shortest at noon time. We say at 12 o'clock noon, that means afternoon time. What happened that shadow become very shortest as the sun moves toward the horizon in. And what type of horizon means what, students? The line at which the earth's surface and the sky appear to meet. And afternoon the length of our shadow increases. That means see the horizon, as the sun moves toward the horizon in the afternoon, the length of our shadow increases again by evening. Means what you to understand that what is important things are there in evening and evening time and morning time shadow is very longest compared to the noon time. The noon time is the same at any given longitude. It is same in any given longitude across the earth. It will not differ. It is same. That is from the north pole to the south pole. Now see the show what is local time. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. You should know about that. So question come in the exam period. What is local time? So answer will be there. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. See that in the region lying in the polar region, circles and the poles, the daytime could be more. In this case, what happened? The daytime will be more than 24 hours. We can say about that it is more than 24 hours, depending upon the seasons as a result. Understanding the timing of that sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight of this place, because it is very very important. So it is a very very important, and in that place the days are more, that means 24 hours. That means student, the pose, the daytime and the duration of the day lasts around 6 months. To tell the time of sunrise or sunset or the pose, one has to consider the date when the sun rises on a specific day. It moves around the horizon and therefore hence here the length of the shadow cannot be considered for telling the noon time. And this way you will see about that place, according to that it is changing at poles. The day and the duration of the day lasts around 6 months. It was increasing. Okay, that is brightness will be there or daytime will there, we can say about that. And to tell the time of the sunrise or sunset or the pose, one has to consider the date, and when the sunrise on a specific day, it moves, that means around the horizon, and therefore here the length of the shadow cannot be considered for telling the noon time. Think about see the student, think about it and always remember it is totally cancelled in your syllabus. Different longitudes have different timing of sunrise, noon and sunset. Okay, every longitude, different longitude will different, and we it is a, earth at 60 minutes 15 degree equal to 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. You should know about that. And see that when it is noon at Mumbai, and it not be same at Kolkata, because Kolkata lies to the east of Mumbai. It will already be afternoon in Kolkata. That means what happened that Kolkata and Mumbai in the same one country, okay, but that place also it was changed. We can't say that it is noon at Mumbai, it would not be the same at Kolkata. It was totally different. Why? Because Kolkata lies to the east of Mumbai. It would already be afternoon in Kolkata. It was already afternoon happened. The local time of a place of the earth surface is determined with a reference to its known time. This implies that place lying on the same longitude have the same local time, and there is no difficulty when local time is used for small areas. So there is no difficulties are there. It was a totally surface determined with the difference of the known time. Okay, see that also remember is given there, but it is totally cancelled. No need to learn this. People living in larger area across different longitudes have to interact with each other. Then using the local time could lead to chaos and confusion. In such a case, use the local time is not convenient. Means local time is different in different country. It is not same. And on that time we can say about that it will be create chaos and confusion also. And that's why in such a case using local time is not convenient. Try this. This is the activity given here, students. The local time of a place can be calculated with reference to the time at the prime meridian. Examine the examples given below. Examples: Mashhad, a town in Iran. Mashhad is a town in Iran, is located on the 60-degree east longitudes. Okay, east. And when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, that is GMT, calculate the local time of Mashhad town. See student, east place, what happened that 1 degree longitude was increasing 4 minutes, 1 degree, okay, and in west place it was started to decreasing. And that you have to remember that as we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Means every 1 degree it is a 4 minutes, okay. And that means you have to by head that if it is in the east it is increasing, and in the west side it was decreasing, okay. The difference between the longitude of Greenwich and Mashhad equal to 60 degree. It is given that 60 degree longitude, okay. Now difference in local time, what you have to do that 60 into 4, because 1 degree 4 minutes. So 60 into 4, how much it will be there? It is 240 minutes. After 240 divided by 60 minutes equal to 4 hours. And this implies that the time at Mashhad will be, that means we can say about that it will be 4 hours, okay. And therefore when it is noon at Greenwich, it will be 4 p.m. at Mashhad, because it is ahead of Greenwich mean time by 4 hours, okay, because it is increasing. Same examples is given that, but some it is why it is here east place, it is in this place Manaus west place, that but everything is same. Also the Manaus city in Brazil is located on 60-degree west longitude. What will be the local time at Manaus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, that is GMT? So what I said you, same questions is given that, but what is difference? The difference are there. In Mashhad it was east is there, east longitude is given that, but in Manaus place city in Brazil which are there, it is the 60-degree west, and nothing else are there. And also I said about that in east place it was increasing and west place it is decreasing. So just go through the statements. As we move towards the west of the prime meridian, the local time decreasing by 4 minutes for every longitude. Also same statement is same, okay, but what is different? Here is increase, here is decrease, because Mashhad is east place and Manaus is the west longitude. That is we have to, that is very very important. And Manaus is located to the west of the Greenwich. Now what to do? Equal to the difference in longitude between the two places equal to 60 degree, okay, that is 60. Total difference in time 60 into 4, 240 minutes. Afterwards what? 240 divided by 60 minutes equal to 4 hours. As Manaus is located to that means it was in the located the west place now, okay. Greenwich local time Greenwich is, and this way what to do is here what is important things are there. That means therefore when it is noon at Greenwich it will be 8 a.m. at Manaus. Why? Because it is behind Greenwich mean time by 4 hours, okay, because it is behind. And first one in east place we have to make that ahead, and it is behind, that only you have to understand that. Understood that these two activities given here? I hope that you understood that. Nothing is impossible, that is difficult here. What is important? That important here 12 noon east place you have to go further, and 12 noon west place you have to go back side. That means back side means behind, means 12, after 12 11, afterward 10, afterward 9, afterward 8. So 4 hour difference are there. So it is 8 a.m. at Manaus. And okay, understood that? I hope that you understood that. So afterwards, see the can you tell? See the students, think about it and do you know? Given here, can you see that? It is totally cancel in your syllabus. No need to learn this. Okay. And can you tell? We have studied that the local time is different by different part of the world. What I said, you local time is different. Okay, every that is, but it is not same. In our country, local time is different place. And daily routine of the people there is determined according to the local time in those place. And also who are the people? You see the people's somebody get up early in the 6 o'clock, somebody get up early in the 7. It is depend on them na? Okay, so they can make their daily routine according to that time. They will make the, so that they have to decide that how to maintain their daily routine. The daily routine of the people there is determined according to the local time in those place. See the figure 1.3 show the local time of different longitude. Study this map and answer the following question. Use the relation between degree and time for this. Is some questions are given that you have to study that. As I want to, I am giving this. I am just explain after remaining you to do that. First one, see that between which longitude does the region experience day time? That means the region show between here 90° west and 90° east in the figure experience daytime. Okay, what is next? Which longitude experience noon and midnight respectively? So see the student, 0° longitudes and 180° longitudes, we can say experience noon and midnight respectively. Next, Edwards from New Orleans is on which longitudes? So you can see the map. Edwards from, that means New Orleans is on 90° west longitudes. Okay, and afterwards, what is the time of Accra city? You can see the map. You can clear cut get up knowledge about that. So Accra city is at 12 noon. You can see the picture. You can able to understand proper way. Remaining to it activities homework for you. Okay. See students, this is a map is given here. Midnight, noon, all everything is given here. Hours also. I see that here in figure Pacific Ocean, North America, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Standard Time is same. Let's see that Greenwich Time GMT. So that you have to that means you have to learn this map, and I that means for 3-4 questions I solve that. Remain to have to do that, and this is a map is given that is homework. It is activity based. Okay, so you have to do this. Okay, see that use a brain power. Tick right the time in the box which you can tell without using clock. So now it is your use your brain power. That means sunrise, noon, sunset, midnight. What you can say without using the clock. So that you have to do that. Geographical explanation. Longitude lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at that longitude. Means if it is east, it will be increasing ahead, while those lying to the west are behind, and if it is west, it will be behind. So that you have to understand. Okay, that means east place it is increasing and west place it is decreasing. As the distance between two longitude increase, their local time also start differing. Yes, when the two longitudes are increasing, their local time will be, because one country also local time is not same. It is totally, it is different in different place. Okay, it is not same. If we multiply the difference between longitude in degrees by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local times can be calculated. That means 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. So whatever degree are there given that, or 60 degrees given that, what you have to do that 60 into 4 you have to make multiply that, and this will make the calculation. The difference in longitude can be known with the help of a globe or map. See in your map, it is given clear cut that place time of that 12 hours also given, the time also given that. You can, if you see the map globe, you can understand proper way. Carry out the activity given on page 75 and 76 and understand the standard time of various location. See if you can find out the standard time at two opposite longitude with this activity. See the standard time. Now we have to learn about the standard time. Standard time means a uniform time for place in approximately the same longitude established in a country. It will be same longitude. Now see that student, can you tell Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude, Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Find the difference between the longitude of these two cities. So what you to do that, see the Mumbai and Kolkata coming in the same country, okay, but then also there are difference between the longitude of these two cities. So how to do, you have to make that 88 degree means 88 minus 73, what will be there, 15 degree will be their answer. If the local time of Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what will be the local time at Kolkata? So whatever 1 degree it is, if see that if the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what will be the local time at, see the students, both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India, but they on different longitudes. That's why their local time different by an hour. So because Kolkata lies to the east of Mumbai, it will already afternoon in Kolkata, so it is a difference of the 1 hour. That means if in the Mumbai 3 p.m., then in Kolkata what happened, that there will be the 4 p.m. Okay. Now geographical explanation. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India, but on different longitudes. Their local time different by an hour. If there are different local times within country because of longitude difference, then what happened, that means we are facing lots of problems. Lack of synchronizations there will be in the routine activities in the country. Okay, so it creates lots of problems also. I said you that there will be lack of synchronizations, means the situation when two or more actions or events happen exactly the same time. So on that time we are facing lots of problems also in the routine of activities in the country. If each one follow their local time, discrepancies means a difference between two things that should be the same. Okay, means difference will be having the two things, but that should be the same. And what happened that if one follow their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed means considered to be the standard time of that country. This standard time is used all over the country. You know that with respect to business at global level, there should be a compatibility, means similarities between the standard times of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided how many times zone? 24 time zones. And this time zones has been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. Okay, and this was created in reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. But if the longitudinal extent, east-west extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries more than one standard time zones are considered. Means what happened that if see the difference are there, if it is a difference of less than 2 or 1 or 2 hours, then only one standard time is considered for the country. But if the longitudinal extent, east or west extent more than that, then on that time one standard time is not enough. In such countries more than one standard time zones are considered. Okay students, and now see that give it a try and find out it totally cancel. That is not in your syllabus. IST, that is Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82 degree east longitudes. It was decided according to 82 degree east longitudes. which passes through Mirzapur, that is near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Where it is passes through? It is passes through Mirzapur, that is near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country. With reference to its longitude extent, it passes through the middle of the country, and that reference to the longitude extends. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time for the whole country. Selected for the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India, and this way there is no difference of more than 1 hour between. Understood, student? That means when the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. Okay, and there is no difference of more than 1 hour between. Okay, see the student, Indian Standard Time meridian 82 degree 30 east. Can you see here? And afterwards, see the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Tropic of Cancer. You have to study this map, and according to that map based some questions are given here. And because local time at 82 degree east and other place in country, according to that based only some questions are given that you have to solve. I also make the solve with you, so pay attention here. Okay, can you tell? Look at the figure 1.4 and answer the following question. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudinal difference with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on a map? So that way there will be 29 longitudes. By how many minutes do you two consecutive longitude difference? That is 4 minutes, 1 degree, 4 minutes. What is the value of degree of longitude in Mirzapur? Now I learn about the Indian Standard Times. 82 degree 30. Afterwards, if it is 8 a.m. at 82 degree 30 east, what will be the time and the clock at the following place? Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati, all these places are there. See that in India the time 82 degree 30 is considered as standard time. Okay, that means standard time of India. So because of that, therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. It will be not change. Next, though the distance between them is more, why does not a standard time differ in this place? You know that in India the time at 82 degree 30 considered as a standard time of India, and because of that, you know that therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. So these are the objective based questions are there. See the map also, location extent of India map is given here, and you can see in your textbook also proper way 82 degree 30 is Indian Standard Time meridian is shown here. Afterwards, see that north south distance also given here, and so east west you can see about all the distance, and observe the map, and according to that map these questions are given that I solve you. Okay, it's universal standard times. For an international coordination between countries, the local time on Greenwich, that is GMT, Greenwich Mean Time in England, is considered to be an international standard time. The difference in standard time of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT. It was calculated with the help of the reference to the GMT. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it will be 10:30 p.m. Means how many difference are there? 5:30. If what happened that if it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, add on that 5:30, what will become that? 10:30 p.m. So this is the difference of that. It is 5:30. 5 hours 30 minute difference are there of Indian Standard Times ahead of the GMT. See the students that give it and try and think about it, totally cancel that, no need to learn this. Now do you know National Institute of Standards and Technology, that is NIST, an institute in the United States of America, has developed the most accurate clock in the world. Clock have to be adjusted by 1 second, added or subtracted once in 20 million years. So the question will come that NIST means what? That is National Institute of Standards and Technology, It is institutes in the where it is in the United States of America has developed the most accurate clock in the world, and it was adjusted by 1 second added or subtracted once in 20 million years. In India, the National Physical Laboratory of India, that is NPL, New Delhi gives series service of accurate timekeeping. The clock used here took accurate up to 1 lakh part of a second, and accurate time is required for space research, artificial satellites launch, etc. These clocks are used in this activity. That means because of this, for the scientists are making the space research, and because on the time accurate time is required, and that is NPL. Means full form of NPL is the National Physical Laboratory of India. Okay. Now see the students. Do you know Jantar Mantar astronomical? That is observatories, and that is also very important in this. See the Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, second the king of Jaipur, Rajasthan, was a great astronomer. That means he has so much knowledge. He was an astronomer also, a mathematician also, an architect also. He built 5 astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar, that means Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi, and Mathura. The one at most that means does not exist today, but one can visit the other 4. I mean, one is not started exist today, but other 4 are, we can visit the other 4 even today. One can know the exact time up to second through that, it means shadows. Okay, and the Jantar Mantar do not only and house, that means it is very important, sir. And standards, that is sundial, sorry, but they are complete astronomical observatories. One can observe the sky from here too with the help of instrument as Jantar Mantar. It is still possible to see astronomical observation after the advent of the modern instrument. Now these instruments are more of a cultural heritage. See the pictures. Okay, and that is about Jantar Mantar astronomical. Okay, exercise is given here. The day assignment I am giving to you: complete the sentence by using selecting correct options, give geographical reasons, answer in brief. And question number 4, if it is 10, that means that it is just like complete a foreign table. That also homework. And question number 5, write the situation of a place shown in this diagram in this box below them. So these all are the assignment. Okay, so you have to do this in your book and read this lesson proper way twice, 2 times, and understand. That means you have to. I hope that understand this lesson. Thank you.